Hello and welcome back to InstaTV for another financial news release with me, Anna Kasatkina. The dollar is declining amid increased risk appetite on signals of the progress in negotiations between Washington and Beijing. Today, the dollar continues downward correction and is heading to a session low of 97.15, 97.20. Positive news about US-China trade negotiations had an additional positive impact on the dollar index. The officials of the two countries managed to eliminate most of the obstacles to the conclusion of a trade deal. However, a difficulty in finding a way to enforce the agreement makes it hard to finally come to deal. The US dollar versus the Japanese yen pair resumed an uptrend, hovering at a two-week high of 111.55 yen per dollar now. During the Asian session, the pair shifted towards the positive side after the decline in the region of 111.20 and broke through its consolidation range thanks to reports of a coming deal between Washington and Beijing. The Financial Times reported that representatives of the two countries have resolved most of the issues blocking a trade deal. As a result, the yen temporarily lost its status of a safe haven currency. In addition, risk sentiment was fueled by an increase in US government bond yields. During the Asian session, the greenback was influenced by yesterday's mixed data from the United States, which showed a 1.6% decrease in durable goods orders in February. Traders are waiting to see whether the US dollar versus the Japanese yen pair will benefit from the bullish trend or it will be out of control at higher levels amid the release of the US macroeconomic data later on Wednesday. The Australian versus the US dollar pair is trading at 1.7108 during the Asia-Pacific session, having hit lows near 0.7050 earlier. With a near 60 pip increase, the Aussie has erased the major portion of yesterday's losses. However, the Australian dollar hasn't broken out of a period of declines yet, and the outlook would turn bullish only after it makes a convincing move above the resistance line, which is currently at 0.7118. Meanwhile, during the trades, a Russia ruble rose against the dollar and fell against the euro. The US dollar slipped by 7 kopecks to 65.23 rubles, and the euro climbed by 4 kopecks to 73.20 rubles. Most likely, we can expect a trade deal between the United States and China in the near future, and this news would boost investors' appetite for risk. And this is especially favorable for Asian currencies. Let's see how moods will change during the trading day in Europe. That's all for now. Stay tuned.